In the quiet marshlands, a gentle deer, a chatty parrot, and a tiny frog were basking in the lovely morning sun. It was peaceful and calm, the perfect start to a beautiful day. Suddenly, a loud splash broke the silence. They looked over and saw a little baby turtle stuck fast in the thick, gooey mud. It was struggling and couldn't move an inch. Finally, with one last big effort, the baby turtle popped free. I was so scared. The deer, parrot, and frog smiled, their hearts full. They learned that true courage isn't just about being brave for yourself, but using your own unique strengths to help others when they need it most. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more stories.